Hey guys, it's Vicki with Tri-State RV in Anna, Illinois, and today I want to give you a look at the 2021 Forest River Cherokee Wolfpack 325Pack13. We'll go ahead and start off right here on the front of the unit. As you can see, it does have a nice large storage space accessible from 3 sides, and it does have tie-down points as well. We'll go ahead and latch that up, and I'll show you that it does have the Yamaha generator. Here you can see the other side of your storage. And the third side. Down here you can see that it does have an auxiliary tank. Has a ladder for roof access, so you can check your roof every 3 months as recommended by the manufacturer. It does have 2 entries. So you have this entry that leads into the garage. You've got 2 awnings, so you've got this rear awning here, and there is an awning on the front as well, which I'll show you when we get back to the other side. And you do have outdoor speakers. Let's sneak in between here. So here's your other awning, and we're gonna take a look inside. We're gonna start off up top here at the front of the unit. As you can see, there are mirrored closets on each side of the bed, along with USB ports and outlets. So if you have medical equipment or you need to charge your phone, you can do that right here at the bed. You've also got side open cabinets. There is storage underneath the bed as well. You have a place to mount a TV over there in the corner. And you do have 2 entries into the bathroom. So as you can see here, you've got your toilet, you've got a medicine cabinet. Walk around the door here, got a large corner shower, does have a skylight overhead, which offers a little more headroom, another medicine cabinet, and your vanity. Back down the steps to the main living space. You do have opposing slides. On your passenger side slide, you do have the Michelle K recliner set. Couch. So each one of these reclines, and the end seats do have a heat setting, LED lights, and a massage setting. Up top there you do have a bunk. Many people do use this for storage. Here's your entertainment center, so you can see that you do have plenty of storage here. It does come with a fireplace, which will keep this main living space nice and cozy on those cool fall nights. Nice large pantry. On your opposing slide, you do have your kitchen appliances. So you have the Canon 12-volt refrigerator. It will run off of your battery, and it will keep your food cold as you're driving down the road. Over here, you do have your microwave and a 3-burner Greystone stovetop and oven. Behind your glass backsplash is a wooden cutting board that acts as a backsplash as well, and it does magnetize to the wall. Got some cubby holes down here, and your nice little peninsula island here. So you get a large single basin apron front sink, along with a soap dispenser, and the faucet does have a pull-down sprayer. You got some storage over there as well. Making our way to the back of the unit into the garage. There's your second entry right there. It does have the Happy Jack bunk system, so you can sleep, 4 to 6 people, depending on how close you want to be to them. You got tons of tie-down points. Got a ladder for the bunk access. It's got the party deck, more ride patio system, and also has roll-down screens there. Over here, you do have a half bath. And here you have a washer and dryer hookup. If you'd like to see this unit or any of the other great options we have available here at Tri-State RV, come check us out in Anna, Illinois, or visit us online at www.tristaterv.com.